Welcome to Dialogue Dreams.
Dad, why is Mom not getting up? Why is she sleeping so much?
Don't worry, Simon. Mom is not feeling well. We will take care of her.
Why isn't she talking to us, Dad? Is Mom okay?
Mom will be fine, Anna. Let's all stay strong for her.
Dad, we should do something. Can we give her water or something?
Son, Mom is not feeling well. We need to take her to the doctor.
Mom, please wake up. We are all here for you.
Kids, we need to take Mom to the hospital. The doctors will know what to do.
Will Mom be okay, Dad?
We are going to the hospital. The doctors will do their best.
Okay, Dad. Let's take Mom to the hospital.
Let me call my friend. Hey Roger. It's Daniel. Can you come to my house immediately? My wife is not feeling well. I have to take her to the hospital.
Oh no, Daniel. I'm so sorry to hear that. Of course, I will be there right away. Is everything okay?
I'm not sure, Roger. She suddenly got sick. And the kids are really worried.
Don't worry. I will be there as soon as I can. I hope she will be all right.
Thanks, my friend. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. I will be there in a bit. Take care and try to stay calm.
Thanks again, Roger. See you soon. Don't worry, honey. Roger is coming here. We will go to the hospital soon.
Daniel, I'm scared. What if something happens to me?
Don't say that, honey. You are going to be okay.
But Daniel, what if I pass away? Promise me you will take care of our kids.
Jane. Stop talking like that. You will be all right.
Hey Daniel. I'm here. How is Jane?
Thank you for coming. She is not doing well. We need to get to the hospital.
Let's go then. She is in good hands with the doctors.
Simon. Listen carefully. Take care of your little brother and sister, okay?
Don't worry, Dad. I will take care of them. You focus on Mom.
That's my boy. We will be back soon. Take care and be good.
Okay, Dad. Take care of Mom. We will be okay here.
Hello, I'm Dr. Smith. What seems to be the problem?
Hello, Dr. Smith. My wife, Jane, has been having ongoing headaches. But today, she suddenly fell unconscious and had trouble walking.
I understand. We need to do some tests to know more. Has she had any other problems?
She sometimes feels a bit dizzy. But today was really bad.
We will find out what's happening. And we will start tests to understand better.
Thank you, doctor. I'm really worried.
It's okay. We will help her. After tests, we will talk about making her better.
Daniel. I'm scared.
It's okay, honey. We are here. And doctors will help us.
Brother, when will Mom and Dad come back?
They will be home soon. Don't worry.
Brother. I want to see Mom. Please, brother.
Hey, let's be patient. Mom will be here soon. And she will be okay. Let's pray for her.
Yes. Let's pray together for Mom's health. And for her to come home safely.
Mr. Daniel, I have some difficult news. Your wife has a large brain tumor.
What? A tumor? How can this be?
I'm truly sorry. It's a large tumor, and we can't operate on it. Your wife has only about 1 month to live.
What? 1 month? Doctor, what should we do now?
I wish there was more we could do. I will leave you with some time to process this.
Daniel. Promise me something.
What is it, honey?
Please, don't tell the kids about this, okay?
I won't. I will keep it a secret.
And promise me that you will take good care of our kids.
Don't say things like that. You are going to get better.
Better? Didn't you hear what the doctor said? Don't worry. Let's enjoy the time we have together with happiness and fun.
Hello, Mom.
Daniel. How is my daughter? Is everything all right?
Mom. We are on our way home right now. I will explain everything once we are there.
Please tell me. Is Jane okay?
Mom. I promise I will give you all the details as soon as we are back. We are almost there.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.